Hey beauties, in this video I will be showing you my wash day routine using Mo Knows Hair products. My hair has been styled and restyled multiple times this week, so the buildup is real, y'all. To cleanse, I'll be using the Scalp and Curl Clarifier and then the Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner. I start off with the Scalp and Curl Clarifier, and to be honest, I've never used a product like this before. The coolest thing about this product is you do not need water. You go straight into applying it to your scalp. It's got like this really nice cooling feel to it, and honestly, it's a really good experience once you start massaging and lathering it into your scalp. You can really feel this working. Once I've rinsed out the Scalp and Curl Clarifier, I go in with the Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner to detangle my hair. This has really good slip, y'all, and a really nice smell too. It kind of gives me like unisex vibes, more of like a fragrant perfume or cologne kind of smell. It definitely has a really sophisticated scent to it. On a normal day, I'd stop at this point, but since this is my wash day, I'll be using the Curl Restoring Treatment to go ahead and add in that extra punch of moisture to carry me out through the week. This treatment wasn't super thick, which I appreciated. I think for the price point, like the rest of the products, you're getting a great product. Once I've applied this all over, I'll let it sit on my hair for about 30 minutes. Usually though, I'll sit under my steamer to make it an even better treatment on my hair. My hair felt really great after I rinsed this treatment out. It wasn't too soft, yet it still felt really moisturized. Now, I've already shared this part of the video on Instagram, but in case you missed it, here's how I used the styling products from the collection. This wash and go combo was perfect for me. There's also a pudding or like a cream styler in this collection that I didn't try, but the curl primer, the curl potion, and curl setting gel were really nice on my hair. Super lightweight, but still coated my hair really easily and kind of gave me that lightweight hold that I look for in my wash and goes. Overall, I'm super impressed with these products. The Scalp Clarifier was definitely my favorite thing out of everything, especially because I've never really used a product like it before, but I really can see myself adding this into my daily routine. And if I had to say one negative thing about this line, it would just be about the sizing. I wish the bottles were larger, as I think someone like me with a ton of hair would go through these really quick. Yet, as you can see, the results are beautiful, and ultimately, I'm really happy with the way my hair came out. Let me know what you think about these products in the comments, and until next time, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!